Hi guys, this is Sai from Monsters Automotive Chennai. Today we are going to have a look at our custom body kit for Chevrolet Beat. We have the full custom front bumper and the rear bumper. This is for a customer from Chennai. It's getting dispatched today. As you can see, perfect surface finish. All you need to do is just a couple of coats of primer and do the paint job. If required, spot putty. Otherwise, off the mold, you need not do any putty work or too much tinkering work like other fiberglass products which are in the market. So these are like ready to go. So all these are like bolt on only. Need to drill a hole and fix it on the existing mounting as your stock bumper. So some of you had a question of your wheel arch inner liner. The flanges are here to mount your wheel arch liners, so that will also not be a problem. Generally aftermarket bumpers, especially in India, they don't have it. Similarly, we have the flanges for the rear bumper as well. This is the kit. So we also offer the side skirts and the eyelets for Beat. If you guys are interested in this body kit for Beat, kindly send us a DM. We'll be happy to help you out with the pricing and other details. Bye.